Stop scrolling if you are struggling with algebraic fractions, because today I am going to show you how to solve them like a pro, step by step. Hey friends, it's Faraz, the GCSE Maths mentor here. Welcome back to my channel, the place where maths makes sense and your grades go up. If you're aiming for those top GCSE grades or simply want maths to stop feeling stressful, you're in the right place. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss my maths magic. And check the description below to join my exclusive online group sessions. Let's ace maths together. Alright, let's jump in. Today we are tackling a topic that pops up all the time in exams. Solving equations with algebraic fractions sounds fancy, but I'll show you it's totally doable. First, let's quickly review some keywords you need to know. Equation, math sentence with an equal sign. Variable, the letter that stands for a number, usually x. Coefficient, the number in front of a variable, like 5 in 5x. Expression, a chunk of maths without an equal sign. Inverse operation, the opposite operation like dividing instead of multiplying. These words will pop up a lot in today's question. Let's dive into question number 1. Simplify x over 9 plus x over 12. Whenever we are adding algebraic fractions, we need a common denominator. Between 9 and 12, the lowest common denominator is 36. So we change both fractions into 36. Alright, what you can do there, you can take the LCM in between 9 and 12. So 3 into 3 is 9, 3 into 4 is 12. Then 3 into 1 is 3, repeat 4, because 4 is not present in 3 times table. And then 2 into 2 is 4, repeat 1. As 1 is not present in 2 times table, then 2 into 1 is 2, repeat 1. So this is going to be your LCM. 3 into 3 is 9, 2 into 2 is 4, and 9 into 4 is 36. So here this is called prime factorization, as we can use only prime numbers here. At this place we can use only prime numbers. So let's start it again. 3 into 3 is 9, and then we did 3 into 4 is 12, then 3 into 1 is 3, and here we repeated this 4 because we know that in 3 times table there is no 4, that's why we are repeating it. Then we did 2 into 2 is 4, and we repeated that 1, and then we did 2 into 1 is 2, and then we repeated that 1. As you got 1 comma 1, it means you have to multiply all those column numbers together to get the LCM. So 9 and 12 LCM is 36. LCM means least common multiple. So we change both fractions and make their denominators equal to 36. So how we can do that? We can do like this: x over 9 multiplied by 4 over 4 plus x over 12 multiplied by 3 over 3. Okay, so this will give us 4x. 4 times x is 4x, 4 9s are 36, plus x times 3 is 3x, and 12 into 3 is 36. Now when the denominators are same, you can add the numerators. 4x plus 3x, that would be 7x over 36. This is our answer. Alright, let's do the next question. X over 9 minus x over 12. Alright, pause the video and try this question by yourself. X over 9 minus x over 12. This will become again 4x over 36, as I have shown you earlier, minus x over 12 means 3x over 36. So 4x minus 3x, that would be x here. So the answer is x over 36. Nice and easy. Alright, let's level up a bit with question number 2. X over 9 plus x over 12 equals 3. Okay, the first thing here, we have to take the LCM in between 9 and 12. So if you are still confused that how to take the LCM in between the denominators, let me teach you again. First of all, you have to make 9 comma 12 and then make a column like this. Then you have to think about the prime numbers. If you know already how to take the LCM, you can skip that. So what are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, and so on. So at this place, we can use only prime numbers. Alright. So I know that 9 is a multiple of 3, right? And 12 is multiple of 3 also, and 2 also. So it's my choice. I can choose 2 or I can choose 3. So let's start it 2 now. So if we do 2, it simply means 2 into 6 is 12, right? 2 into 6 is 12. That's why I wrote 6 below 12, then put a comma sign there. And we all know that in 2 times table there is no 9, so we have to repeat that 9. I hope it's clear to you. Then after that step, we have to think about again 9 and 6. Now if you're considering 6, you can still use 2 because 2 into 3 is 6. But if you're considering 9, you can use 3 into 3 is 9, and then you have to repeat 6. So it is up to you which number you chose. So I'm choosing 2 there. 2 into 3 is 6. But I know that in 2 times table there is no 9, so I have to repeat it. Then 9 and 3 both are the multiples of 3, so we can use 3 into 3 is 9, and 3 into 3 is 9, 3 into 1 is 3. Then 3 ones are 3, repeat 1. And here is your LCM in that column, 2, 2, 3, 3. You just have to multiply all those numbers together. 2 into 2 is 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. So this is the way. So we have to make the common denominator of 36 in this way. X over 9 multiplied by 4 over 4, because 4 into 9 is 36, plus x over 12 multiplied by 3 over 3, because 12 times 3 is 36, equal 3 will remain as it is as we are solving equation. So 4x over 36 plus 3x over 36 equal 3. Then after this step, we can write it in a single fraction like this, because 36 and 36 is a common denominator. So you can write it in a single fraction, and 4x plus 3x over there, and 4x plus 3x is 7x over 36 equals to 3. After that step, as we know that 36 is in division on the left side, it is in division, so we have to multiply it on the other side. So, or you can say multiply 36 on both sides, it will give you 7x equal 3 times 36. Then 7x equal 3 times 36, 108. And finally we have x equals to 108 over 7. Ready for question number 3? Alright. Let's start question number 3. 7x over 2 plus x over 7 equals 3. So first of all, we know that 2 and 7 LCM, the least common multiple of 2 and 7 is 14. Because 2 and 7 both are prime numbers, so you can just multiply them to get their LCM. It means we have to make both denominators 14. And how you can make both denominators 14? First write down the fraction 7x over 2, and then you have to multiply it by 7 over 7, the first fraction, and the second fraction by 2 over 2 equals to 3. So this will give you 49x over 14 plus 2x over 14 equals 3. Now when the denominators are same, you can simply write them in a single fraction, because the denominators are same, and 49 plus 2, that is 51. So 51x over 14 equals to 3. Now we can say that multiply 14 on both sides, it will give you 51x equals to 3 times 14. Then after this step, we can write it as 51x equals to 42, then we have to do x equals 242 over 51, and that's your answer. Now let's look at question number 4. 5x over 2 minus 11 over 8 equal -1. First, what we have to do, we have to add 11 over 8 to both sides. As we are not going to take 2 and 8 LCM right now, we can do it in this way as well. You can write 5x over 2 is equals to -1 plus 11 over 8. What we are doing here, we are adding 11 over 8 both sides. So -11 over 8 plus 11 over 8 will become 0 at this place on the left hand side. So we have 5x over 2 equal -1 plus 11 over 8. Now we can simply make it this way, 5x over 2. We can simply write it -1 in this way, -8 over 8, because we know that -1 is equals to what? -8 over 8. So -8 over 8 plus 11 over 8. Now when the denominators are same, you can add or subtract the numerators by keeping the denominator same. So -8 plus 11, so that would be 3 over 8. Now we have 5x over 2 equal 3 over 8. So now 2 is in the division because it is in the denominator. On the right hand side it will multiply, because inverse operation of division is multiplication, or you can say multiply 2 on both sides. Then we have 5x equals to 3 into 2 is 6 over 8. Now 5x means 5 times x. So because 5 is in multiplication with x, it will divide on the other side, or you can say dividing 5 on both sides, it will give you this 6 over 8 divided by 5. And then we have x equals to 6 over 8 times by, because this is 5 over 1. If we replace divide sign by multiply, it will become 1 over 5. And here you have 6 into 1 is 6, 8 5s are 40. And you can simply do it like this. 2 into 3 is 6, 2 into 20 is 40. So now we have x equals to 3 over 20. Okay, let's solve question number 5, the last one. 3 over 5x minus 9 over 11 equal 7. So what we have to do first, we have to write down 3 over 5x as it is, and we are adding 9 over 11 on both sides. So it will look like this, 7 plus 9 over 11. So I'm not writing minus 9 over 11 plus 9 over 11, as this will cancel out. So that's why I'm not writing it here. Now we only have 3 over 5x equals 7 plus 9 over 11. So we need to multiply this 7 by, to make its denominator 11, because this is 7 over 1, you have to multiply it by 11 over 11. And 7 times 11 is 77, 1 times 11 is 11. So what is 11 over 11? 11 over 11 is actually 1. So that's why if you multiply anything by 1, it will remain as it is. So the step will become 3 over 5x equal will remain as it is, and then 7 over 1, actually it will become 77 over 11 plus 9 over 11. Then we have to write 3 over 5x equals to 77 add 9. That would give you 86 over 11. Now we can do the cross multiplication. You can this 11 is in division there. This 11 is in division. It will multiply on the left side. And on the right side, 86 multiplied by 5x. 3 times 11 is 33. 86 multiplied by 5, that is 430x. Or 430x equals to 33. Then dividing 430 on both sides, it will give us 33 over 430. And that's our answer. And that's it, my friends. That's how you solve equations with algebraic fractions step by step. Smash that like button if you found this helpful. Drop a comment below if you have got any questions, or let me know what topics you love to see next. And don't forget to check the description for my group online sessions so you can study with me and boost your grades even faster. This is Faraz, the GCSE Maths mentor, signing off until next time. Keep smashing those equations.